So if you have followed the tutorials, normally you are at the same stage and you don't have any custom field in your account. Okay, so you just have the basic stuff. And if you go to the forecast edition, you don't have many options to aggregate your data. So now I'm going to show you how to create custom fields and how to import them. So the custom fields are actually, you can use a dedicated Excel spreadsheet. So you have your part number and you can add as many columns as you wish with your custom information. So here I'm going to use size and family, which are two different fields, and I want to import this data into my account. So to do this, I will use a wizard as usual. I select my file. So I have several tabs, so I need to pick the right one, master. And then, as before, I mean, the wizard tried to analyze and doesn't find any dates in my tab, and it's just displaying, I mean, the preview of my file. So as you've noticed, he recognized automatically the part number and the description, which are fields existing by default in SKU Science, but size and family, they don't exist. So I'm going to show you how to create those fields. So size, it's a text field. I will put them in general, and there's no unit associated to that. Okay, so you see there's a side field now created, and same for family. I will add this new field, general, no unit. Once I've done that, the mapping is correct, and now that every time you will try to map those fields in a file, it will automatically recognize them in SKU Science. There is no number, so but if you have, you need to make sure you have the right one. So I use the same, I mean, in order to map this information, I will use the existing part number. So this is important at this level to select part number, okay? And here you have a summary table, I mean, and so you'll see part number will be actually populated with this size and family information. So if I click confirm, wait for the upload. So if I go to the first item, you can see that now I have two additional fields and they are populated with the information. And if I go to forecast edition, I can now aggregate the data, let's say by size. Automatically, you know, I have a different way of seeing my data, and I can even combine them with the family. And I can see, you know, so you have different ways now to see your data, and you see that by using custom fields, it's a very powerful tool to see your data from different angles.